So what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's news: FG team visits Abia to inspect sites of new airport as Governor Otti announces Access Bank willing partner. A federal government team from the Ministry of Aviation has visited Abia State to inspect a proposed site for a new airport planned for the state. Wow, what a nice project for Abia State indigenes. This comes as Abia State Governor Dr. AlexOtti has declared that one of Nigeria's leading financial institutions, Access Bank, has expressed willingness to partner with the state government in developing the airport project. Led by the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Aviation, Dr. Emmanuel Meriebole, the federal government team said that it was in the state to ensure that the land and location approved for the project are in alignment with regulatory requirements for the siting of an airport. Dr. Meriebole said the federal government is desirous of delivering the airport in record time. Hence, the visit by the team made up of representatives of all the various aviation agencies responsible for approvals and supervision of airports in the country to meet required standards. Aviation agencies in the team include Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria, Nigeria Meteorological Agency, Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority, and Nigeria Airspace Management Agency. Meriebole, while acknowledging the visionary leadership of Governor Otti, said members of his team are experts in their various agencies and that the Abia Airport project has already been captured in 2014 Federal Appropriation Act, but as an airstrip. He stated the fact that airport projects are capital intensive, adding, however, that the advantage of having an airport cannot be overemphasized as it would lead to the accelerated development of the state through job creation, promotion of commerce, revenue generation, and among others. Governor Otti, who warmly received the Federal Aviation team, thanked President Bola Tinubu for approving the development of an airstrip for Abia. Wow, Bola Tinubu. He said even though the national budget made provision for an airstrip, Abia State government would work with the federal government to upscale the airstrip to a full-fledged airport, as the major difference between an airport and airstrip is the length and size of the runway. First of all, I would like to thank the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Bola Tinubu, for concerting to setting up an airstrip in Abia and for also including it in 2024 budget as approved. Even if the money there may not be complete, but a journey of 1,000 miles starts with one step. So we are grateful to him. We also want to say a big thanks to my friend and brother, the Honorable Minister of Aviation, Barrister Festus Kamo, for all that he has been doing to ensure that this become a reality. We are also on the line discussing coming up with ideas on how to fast track this. I want to thank you for also joining us to be in a hurry to deliver this project once we had agreed. We started looking for a stable land because that is the most important in an airport. There were a few places that were mapped out earlier, but when we went on physical inspection, we found out that some of the places do not have enough space or are not properly located for the airport. One other important thing about airport is location. So we now zeroed in on the place that we are looking at the moment. We didn't just identify that location. We went to extra mile or identify the owners of the land because it is a huge parcel of land. We had already started engaging with them, Governor Otti stated. The governor assured that the team of the state's government preparedness to see the actualization of the project in record time, as the people of Abia are in a hurry to have an airport of their own. Being one of the two states remaining in Nigeria without an airport, the other is Osun State. One thing you can't stay away from here is that the state will actually be leading, and if anything gets